Ever dreamt of running your own online store, selling cool gadgets or trendy clothes, without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping? Dropshipping might be your answer. But when you start diving into the world of dropshipping, two names inevitably pop up: AliDropship and AliExpress. Now, are these two sides of the same coin, or are they completely different players in the game? Buckle up, aspiring e-commerce entrepreneurs, because this video will crack the code on AliDropship versus AliExpress, showing you exactly what each brings to the dropshipping table. AliExpress, the global marketplace giant. Let's start with the big kahuna, AliExpress. It's a massive online marketplace, kind of like a digital shopping mall on steroids. Millions of sellers from China, and increasingly other parts of the world, list their products on AliExpress, offering a mind-boggling variety of items at often insanely competitive prices. Think phone cases with your cat's face on them, the latest fitness trackers, or even furniture, you name it, AliExpress probably has it. So why is AliExpress so popular with dropshippers? Here's the deal. It allows you to find suppliers for pretty much any product you can imagine. You don't have to worry about holding inventory or dealing with pesky shipping logistics. The seller on AliExpress takes care of that. All you have to do is list the product on your online store, handle customer service, and collect that sweet, sweet profit. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, hold on a sec, because AliExpress does have some downsides to consider. First, shipping times can be brutal. Since most sellers are located in China, it can take weeks, sometimes even months, for your customer to receive their order. This can lead to frustrated customers and negative reviews, which is not exactly a recipe for dropshipping success. Second, with millions of sellers, competition on AliExpress is fierce. You might find yourself selling the same product as dozens of other dropshippers, leading to a price war that eats away at your profit margins. Finally, branding can be a challenge. The product descriptions and pictures you get from AliExpress are often generic, making it difficult to create a unique brand identity for your store. AliDropship, the dropshipping toolkit. Now enter AliDropship. It's not a marketplace like AliExpress. It's a software solution specifically designed for dropshipping. Here's how it works. AliDropship offers a plugin that integrates with your online store, usually built on WordPress with WooCommerce, making it super easy to import products directly from AliExpress. With a few clicks, you can add product descriptions, set your own prices, and customize product images to match your brand. AliDropship also automates some tasks, like updating inventory levels and fulfilling orders. This can save you a ton of time and effort when managing your store. But AliDropship offers more than just a fancy import tool. They also have pre-built dropshipping stores you can purchase, complete with product suggestions, marketing materials, and a sleek design. This is a great option for those who want to get started with dropshipping quickly and easily, without the hassle of designing and building their own store from scratch. So, here's the good news about AliDropship. It streamlines the dropshipping process, saves you time, and helps you build a more branded store. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, AliDropship itself has a cost. You'll need to purchase the plugin or a pre-built store. Second, while AliDropship helps you source products, you're still ultimately relying on AliExpress sellers for fulfillment, which means you're still dealing with potentially long shipping times and fierce competition. Alright, entrepreneurs, let's break it down. AliExpress is a fantastic resource for finding dropshipping suppliers, offering a vast selection and competitive prices. However, you'll need to deal with long shipping times, fierce competition, and generic branding. AliDropship, on the other hand, simplifies the dropshipping process, helps you build a branded store, and automates tasks. But it comes with an upfront cost, and you're still reliant on AliExpress for fulfillment. So, which one is right for you? It depends. If you're just starting out with dropshipping and want a low-cost way to test the waters, AliExpress might be a good option. However, if you're serious about building a successful dropshipping business and want more control over your brand and operations, AliDropship could be a valuable investment.